I saw a video where a foreigner asked a Nigerian what Christmas is like in Nigeria, and he said it's a lot of party, but not Christmas related. That is not how I remember Christmas. I remember Christmas having lots and lots of decorations all over the house and the streets. I remember putting up Christmas trees and looking forward to your Christmas clothes, matching with your siblings. I remember exchanging food with our neighbors. I remember receiving lots and lots of cards and putting them on the line across the living room. I remember visiting friends and family and having the choir come home and sing Christmas carols for us and with us. I remember young boys saving money towards buying banga, aka knockouts. And I remember just when father is about to say, go in peace, the mass is ended, bangers go off and everybody scatters. I remember Christmas to be the best time of the year. I remember everyone working all through the year preparing for Christmas. How much more Christmassy can it get? I remember my aunties and uncles who visit or who I visit at Christmas dashing me money. I remember the Christmas hair and how choked the stylists usually are. I remember Christmas to be the best time of the year, especially in Calabar, where we had a lineup of parties from the 1st of December through to the 1st of January. I remember all of the decorations on the streets and the music on the streets. How much more Christmassy can it get? What are your memories of Christmas? Because to me, Christmas is the best time. Christmas in Nigeria is the best you can get anywhere. It feels like Christmas with the Hamatan wind and the gifts and the food. I remember the purge that happens a day after Christmas or 2 days after Christmas because you've had a variety of food from different places and different people. Christmas is not just an excuse to party. We do celebrate the birth of our Lord and we have loads and loads of Christmas decorations. I don't know what else is Christmassy, but yeah, we do party because we like to party. What are your memories of Christmas? What do you remember at Christmas in your home in Nigeria? And what do you look forward to the most at Christmas?